Hello guys, I bought something and I'm really excited about it. What do you think it is? Pieces of nature. Interesting. Let's see if this gives you a hint. Bobo bird. Well, it's a wooden watch. Nice. Let's get this unboxing started. So let's get to it. How do I open this? Okay, here we go. Okay, some bubble wrap and some. Oh, look at that logo and look at that box. That's pretty impressive. Let's see. That's interesting. Well, I have to say I really like the box. It's bamboo, I think, and it's wood. That's nice. It's a nice touch. And the logo is pretty neat. You can also buy only boxes if you want from them, because let me tell you, it does look nice. Okay, here we go. Well, it's better looking than I thought, let me tell you that. What we have here, some cards. The level of detail, it's pretty incredible. I mean, it didn't cost me that much, so I didn't expect this. Some warranty information, instructions. The smell of wood, you guys, from this box and from these cards is unbelievable. It's just such a natural smell in the room right now. And here are some mounting information. Oh, okay, for the belt, for the bracelet of the watch, of the belt. That's interesting. What else is in the box? What's in the box? What? No. So, some kit. This is the tool for the bracelet. And then an extra screw, I think. Yep. Is there anything else? Just some information. Okay, not important. The main piece. What's this? Okay, focus camera. No, it wants to stay focused on the watch. Yep. It's sort of a keychain thingy. I'm not sure what for. Okay. So the watch. Also on the metal clip, Bobo bird. Interesting cushion here. Alright. Well, okay. There you go. I think this is for what that screw was. An extra screw for the cap. And what we have here, it's yeah, again with the camera. It says stainless steel. That's nice. Come on, camera. Okay, here we go. Alright. I have to say that the quality, the build quality and the craftsmanship is pretty incredible for this price. I didn't expect this. It feels so good in the hand, and yeah, it's nice. What do we have here? We got light. Alright. It also has the date and the day. That's nice. Stopwatch. And anything else? Let's see. An alarm. That's good. You don't want to be late for work. Yeah, that's. I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. And again, I like it a lot. Let's see how it fits on a hand, and it's really light. I mean, it's not metal, so but it stays really nice on the hand. It's a little big. It's not for every wrist out there, but it's a manly watch still. I hope it can take some bumps along the ride, but I'm pretty happy with it. It feels great on the hand and it looks really good. Yeah, so tell me what you think. Maybe if you bought one or you already have one. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.